Alright, I'm ready.
Don't be afraid.
Oh, that's cool.
You can do the other two. Nice and easy, though. Remember, relax, hold it tight. Yeah, don't be afraid. Leave that one lay. There's one in there. It's live. Remember, because there was 3. Take your time. Put the safety on.
How do I put it on?
This one might have been a dud. Actually, it didn't even hit it. So if you want to shoot that one,
Alright.
we could try it again.
Right,
Just cock
safety?
it, but don't touch the trigger. Safety's right here. There we go. Now we're good. Now you can cock it. You gotta put that lock. There you go. I'm sorry. It's my fault.
Right.
Hold on. I'm gonna get my.
It's not shooting. Is safety on?
Yeah. But hold the barrel up in the sky. That is not good. Okay, go ahead. Dud. Cock it out. Just keep going. Keep the gun away from you. Yep.
What the heck?
Always keep the gun away from you.
Another one? Okay, something's wrong. That's not.
All right. We'll put it back on safety and keep it pointed away from you.
There's a safety.
Shooting a little to the right, it seems. I gotta shoot some water. See the water down there?
Is that it?
Bad. Okay.
Oh, I don't have to cock it back.
No. That's it.
There. Ready?
Yep. Safety.
Not again.
You can cock the hammer back. Just pull the hammer back.
Yeah. I want to shoot one in the water.
Yeah. Somebody just let that damn dog in.